Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rotate a PDF in iLovePDF in 2026. Now, if your PDF appears sideways or upside down, rotating it is very easy. Follow these few simple steps. But the first thing you want to do is to access iLovePDF, this free website that allows you to modify, merge, split your PDFs however you want. Now, you're going to click on it. You're going to search for it in the web. Then you're going to click on this website, and in the home page, you're going to select, you're going to open the Rotate PDF tool. As you can see here, we're going to look for the Rotate PDF tool. We're going to scroll all the way down until you see this option right here. Click on it. Then you're going to select the PDF file you want to upload or the rotate. You're going to select it. And here you can add more. Now you can rotate it however you want. You can rotate it by 180 degrees, 90 degrees, depending on what you want. For example, if you want a portrait or a landscape type of orientation, you can adjust it right away. You can choose whether you want to rotate it by the right way or the left, as you can see here from these. And once you click on the Rotate PDF, you're going to be able to rotate it and save it. For example, I'm going to rotate it to the right. I'm going to click on the Rotate PDF, and now I can download the PDF. Now I can download this. I'm going to choose a location, and the PDF will be downloaded here. Now I'm going to access it, and as you can see, the PDF is rotated. And that's it. Now once finished, you can click Rotate PDF, and that's it. You can rotate PDF pages clockwise or counterclockwise until everything is displayed. And many users rotate PDFs after scanning documents, photographing pages, or importing files from mobile devices. Another huge tip is previewing every page before saving to ensure all pages have the correct orientation. And that's it. Now you know how to rotate PDFs in iLovePDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.